Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to be born. How to be born. This tutorial has been designed for those of you out there that have not yet been born but want to learn so that you can enjoy everything that life has to offer. Now, some of you out there may have already been born and are looking for a guide to be born again, so I will happily include that in this video as well. Now, as mentioned, being born is extremely important because it allows you to live. But what are the ingredients that you need to be born? You will need 1 teaspoon of sperm, an egg, and a womb. Here is a teaspoon. I will be the sperm. This is an egg. And I'll be using the room as a womb. Now that we have all of the ingredients, you can now be born. Now, based on my scientific understanding, I'm pretty sure that the sperm needs to move towards the egg to be born. So I'll just show you how that is performed. Here in this example, we have perfect conditions to be born. I am in the womb. I am a sperm. This is an egg. So in order to be born, what you'll want to do is move your sperm body towards the egg, and eventually you should be born. We'll give that a try now, and hopefully it should work. Here goes. I don't think I'm born yet. I followed all the steps. I'm basically touching the egg. Maybe I need to touch it. No, I'm not alive. I'm not alive at the moment. It's not going to plan. Oh no. Oh no. I've just discovered the reason why I was not born yet. This is the wrong kind of egg. I need a different kind of egg. That is the reason. That is the only reason why I've not been born. So bear with me, I will just need to get a proper egg. One moment. Here we go, this is a much better egg. Okay, so we now have the perfect conditions to be born. Let's try again. Here goes. Make sure you touch the egg. Where am I? I'm alive. Neat. And that completes the tutorial on how to be born. Hopefully one day you can all learn to be born yourself, and then you can end up doing some really cool things, such as paying taxes, or getting the bus. What else is there? Fishing. You could do that as well. So there's loads of possibilities. But first you need to make sure that you're born. So keep practicing with the tutorial and I'm sure you'll get there eventually. Now that I've been born, I can live. So I'll catch you all later. See you. What am I going to do first? So many options.